Little Wild Goose Pagoda. Dating back to the Tang dynasty, the Little Wild Goose Pagoda is one of two prominent pagodas in Xi'an. A former center for translating Buddhist scriptures from India, the Little Wild Goose Pagoda was said to have survived one of the strongest earthquakes in world history.
Terracotta Warriors, one of the most significant archaeological discoveries of the 20th century, this unearthed terracotta army comprises over 7,000 soldiers, horses and chariots. The army was built in life-sized form by thousands of workers and designed by Emperor Qin Shi Huang to defend himself in the afterlife.
Giant Wild Goose Pagoda is a monumental Buddhist pagoda located in southern Xi'an, Xi'an China. It was built in circa 652 during the Tang dynasty and originally had 5 stories. It was rebuilt in 704 during the reign of Empress Wu Zetian, and its exterior brick facade was added during the Ming dynasty. One of the pagoda's many functions was to hold sutras and figurines of Gautama Buddha that were brought to China from India by the 7th century Buddhist monk, scholar, traveler, and translator Xuanzang. Today, the interior walls of the pagoda feature engraved statues of Buddha by the renowned 7th century artist Yan Liban. This pagoda was added to the World Heritage List, along with many other sites along the Silk Road, as part of the Silk Roads, the routes network of Chang'an Tianshan Corridor, site in 2014.
The Hubei Three Gorges Resettlement Museum, located in Zigui County, Yichang, Hubei Province, is dedicated to documenting the resettlement efforts of the Three Gorges Dam project, which involved the relocation of 1.3 million people. This museum, which is the first of its kind in Hubei, opened to the public in June 2024 and covers an area of 13,000 square meters.
Three Gorges Dam, officially known as Yangtze River Three Gorges Water Conservancy Project, is a hydroelectric gravity dam that spans the Yangtze River near Sanduping in Yiling District, Yichang, Hubei Province, central China, downstream of the Three Gorges. The world's largest power station by installed capacity, 22,500 megawatts, the Three Gorges Dam generates 95 plus or minus 20 TWh of electricity per year on average, depending on the amount of precipitation in the river basin. After the extensive monsoon rainfalls of 2020, the dam produced nearly 112 TWh in a year, breaking the previous world record of 103 TWh set by the Itaipu Dam in 2016.